15, and we're on our way to Phi Phi Islands. The Maya Beach and the surrounding areas are one of the most popular places to go and see. It's a must go. So we will obviously report back to see whether it is. There was a film by Leonardo Dicaprio that made that beach famous, called The Beach. The film is called The Beach. That's where we're going. It's a full day out. It's going to be snorkeling and all sorts going on. So looking excited for that. But anyway, Lawrence is back. I've forgotten the receipt in the bedroom. There he is. Are we ready for the day? Yeah. So this is where we're going. It's going to be fun. Okay, we've arrived at our spot. Hello. Breakfast. So I've been told this is breakfast. It's porridge. But it's not sweet. It's not sweet porridge. What I'm used to. But it's porridge. But it's nice though. It's just like having, huh? Laurie doesn't like it. So this is the wristband we get. Seduction chips. We're sitting here. There's some people over there checking in. But honestly, the taxi ride here, I almost felt like we were late, like they were waiting for us, and we were the first ones here. Doesn't make sense. There was a tuk-tuk lady that he nearly ran over. Laurie and I looked at each other like, oh my god.
And everybody, the first thing right now, I would like to say good morning for you first. Good morning. Sawadika everyone. In Thai, if you say Sawadi, it means you say hello. Okay, Sawadi, like that.
On the boat. So people don't. It's not what? What time is it? 10 past 10. And we left the hotel at like 8:15. Go figure.
Under the floor, have many gasoline. And one more thing, everyone. We on the way to go.
The actual protected beach is on the other side, so everyone parks here, so it's very, very busy. No wonder why they're protecting it. It makes sense. But I mean, if this is the docking, this is the docking bay. Look how beautiful the water is. So,
sorry, 11:22. About 12:05.
These are all the visitors going to Maya Bay. And I'm one of those many millions of people. It's an in and out system. So these are the rules and regulations. As you can see, do not feed the fish, do not use drones, do not drop an anchor, do not swim. This is Maya Bay, Maya Beach. This is it. Nice sandy beaches. Look how many people are in the water. But no one is swimming. You can only go so far. Okay, so this is Maya Beach. We're finally here. The attraction that everyone knows about. But it is, I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. It's a good thing they did what they did. Pity for those who couldn't come in when it was closed, but...
Thanks to Leonardo Dicaprio.
Yeah, thanks to Leonardo Dicaprio. He got this closed down. Well, he got it popular and then...
Sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, My focus been drifting away from you. This wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right.
So we finished with Maya's Bay. And we're going to Phi Phi Island, I think. We're going to have a bit of lunch. So this is the lagoon. We're going to swim. Wait here for a few minutes and swim. You can see the coral. Very clear water.
Why are they still here?
Jump in, Dory. Go on.
I don't know why I'm thinking about it. I'm using a lifeboat.
You should?
I should get better at swimming.
Yeah. Look at you floating with your legs. That's our boat behind Lori there.
Oh yeah.
Sea seduction. Seduction. Hello friends! It's Sam and? Sam and? Andrea. Sam.
It's good monkey bay, but there are no monkeys.
Yeah, so come to see monkeys, but no monkeys.
like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, see you. My baby, you know, right with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby,
This is Phi Phi Don, the bigger island. Okay, so we've stopped for lunch at, I don't know what this place is called actually.
Is it the Phi Phi Den? That's the island.
Maybe. Not sure what this place is called.
It's called an island.
Oh, okay, yeah, there's the name.
Phi Phi.
Yeah. Not sure why we didn't get our shoes back because we're going for lunch and I don't want to go. I know. Why would I want to go to the loo? They say the lunch is buffet, so we'll see how that. Yeah.
Lunch.
Huh?
Lunch.
That's what I said.
Lunch.
They said the lunch is buffet, so we'll see how that is. This is one of the hotels on Phi Phi Don Island. That's their view. It's alright, isn't it? Great, so now I'm starting to think of
Just a reminder.
the rain face. A bit of an ideal or handy.